Let me take you inside the intense world of China military exercises. These are not your average training sessions. We are talking about high-stakes drills that push soldiers to their absolute limits. From robot wolves to amphibious assaults, the footage is nothing short of spectacular. The People's Liberation Army is showing the world what modern combat truly looks like. If you are fascinated by cutting-edge military technology and strategic brilliance, you have come to the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in defense technology. This is what happens when elite troops from the 73rd Group Army take on the ultimate challenge. The China military exercises along the southeast coast are nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine 5-man teams carrying standard infantry gear as they push through grueling obstacle courses that demand every ounce of their energy. They scale walls, crawl under barbed wire, and carry heavy loads across uneven terrain. Their combat conditioning tests every muscle group to the breaking point. Virtual reality technology creates rocking cabin environments that simulate real sea conditions. The motion, combined with visual effects, induces physical stress that feels incredibly real. Soldiers often feel nauseous, but they push through. The China military exercises require them to practice tactical movements through obstacle fields while maintaining situational awareness. They break through beach assaults under simulated enemy fire that crackles all around them. Laser engagement tactics help them neutralize mock enemy fortifications with precision. Every room in urban clearing operations is thoroughly searched for hidden threats. The soldiers clear door to door, securing each room with practiced efficiency. Drones and precision firepower coordination play a huge role in these operations. The China military exercises emphasize modern combat readiness like never before. Psychological resilience is tested constantly through sleep deprivation and continuous operations. Small unit operational efficiency is pushed to the absolute maximum. These soldiers train in high-pressure scenarios that would break most people. The mental strain is just as intense as the physical demands. This is not just practice. This is preparation for real-world combat where mistakes cost lives. The level of detail in these drills is astonishing. Every movement is calculated with purpose. Every decision matters in the heat of battle. The China military exercises showcase the future of ground warfare. They integrate cutting-edge technology with traditional combat skills. You will not believe what I just watched. The China military exercises now feature robotic quadruped units. These robot wolves are firing weapons alongside human soldiers. This joint training with Singapore focuses on urban counter-terrorism operations. The footage shows heavily equipped soldiers moving through complex tactical environments. They navigate multi-level buildings with incredible speed. Hallways and stairwells become combat zones. High readiness formations are maintained at all times. The China military exercises highlight modern combat scenarios. Infantry units deploy advanced reconnaissance equipment. These robots breach structures and clear rooms with precision. The cooperative drills emphasize tactical coordination between nations. Communication is key in these simulated hostile landscapes. Patience and passion define the China military exercises, showcased by the People's Liberation Army. This is a comprehensive display of advanced combat capabilities. Heavy artillery batteries dominate the landscape. Fighter aircraft prepare for takeoff in impressive formations. Reconnaissance drones provide critical battlefield intelligence. Robotic units are deployed for various tactical roles. The footage shows rapid troop movements across different terrains. Amphibious landing maneuvers see armored vehicles emerging from naval ships. Paratroopers descend from transport aircraft with precision. Coordinated naval fleets navigate the open sea with confidence. The China military exercises feature intense tactical drills. Tanks engage in live-fire target practice. Mechanized infantry advancements are executed flawlessly. Artillery bombardments create a symphony of destruction. Missile launches during night operations light up the sky. This is military preparedness at its highest level. The China military exercises continue with an amphibious armored detachment from the 74th Army Group. They trained alongside a Navy landing ship in unfamiliar waters. The goal was to enhance at-sea combat capabilities. The footage captures armored assault vehicles forming tactical formations. Infantry combat units navigate open waters with skill. Upon arriving at the exercise area, soldiers engaged in rigorous drills. Embarking and disembarking under challenging conditions was the focus. Mastering these procedures is crucial for amphibious forces. The China military exercises emphasize the importance of troop transport. Vehicles and essential equipment must move between ship and shore efficiently. Changing sea winds and rolling waves make this difficult. But these soldiers rise to the challenge. Their training ensures they can operate in any condition. Day and night maritime training builds resilience. The China military exercises show that preparation never stops. Even in darkness, these forces maintain their edge. This is what it takes to be combat ready. The soldiers' dedication is truly inspiring. They understand the stakes involved. Their commitment to excellence is evident in every maneuver. Let me tell you about the massive China military exercises unfolding across Fujian and Guangdong provinces. This comprehensive landing drill is designed to showcase both combat and defensive capabilities in a spectacular fashion. The entire operation begins under the cover of night, adding an extra layer of complexity. Armed reconnaissance teams silently deploy from landing vessels, moving through the darkness with purpose. They approach hostile shorelines to gather critical intelligence about enemy positions. Their observations are quickly transmitted back to the command post for analysis. As daylight slowly approaches, heavy artillery units spring into action. Missile launchers and aerial assets simulate devastating fire to neutralize enemy defensive positions. This intense bombardment prepares the way for the main assault force. Amphibious assault formations then disembark from transport ships in coordinated waves. They utilize various naval craft to approach the shore from multiple angles. Changing battle formations is a key part of their strategy. The China military exercises highlight advanced tactical coordination at every level. Storming the designated coastal objective requires incredible precision. These soldiers demonstrate amphibious warfare proficiency that comes from countless hours of practice. The entire operation is a testament to their rigorous training and exceptional skill. The coordination between different military branches is truly remarkable. Watching the assault unfold is like witnessing an action movie unfold in real life. But this is not Hollywood. This is real training for real combat. The China military exercises prepare troops for actual combat scenarios they might face. The China military exercises intensify with high-intensity amphibious drills. These took place in rough seas off China's southeastern coast. The timing was significant. It happened ahead of the PLA's founding anniversary. Frontline combat units operate amphibious armored vehicles. Navigating difficult maritime environments is their specialty. They practice landing quickly and efficiently. Securing and expanding beachheads is a critical skill. These forces open pathways for follow-on troops. Servicemen explain the importance of harsh training. The battlefield does not offer ideal conditions. Soldiers must train under the worst environments. This helps them adapt to complex tactical scenarios. The China military exercises maintain operational readiness at all times. The footage shows coordinated formations across rough coastal waters. Vehicle maneuvers on shorelines are executed with precision. Interviews with service members emphasize readiness and toughness. Their commitment to training is unwavering. Rarely seen China military exercises involve special operations troops. The PLA's 83rd Group Army conducted intensive parachute training in Henan Province. The goal was to enhance long-range penetration capabilities. In-depth strikes are a key focus of these drills. Troops prepared their gear with meticulous care. They practiced tactical drills on the ground. Different parachute types were utilized. Round parachutes and parafoils were used for various skydiving exercises. The rigorous program emphasized close coordination. Dropping instructors worked closely with parachutists. Ground monitoring teams provided critical support. Precise meteorological data was essential for safety. Soldiers made autonomous adjustments to handle emergencies. The China military exercises refined procedures across different helicopter models. Training environments varied to simulate real combat. The brigade aims to boost three-dimensional combat assault proficiency. Whole region air penetration is the ultimate goal. These special ops soldiers are the elite of the elite. The China military exercises extend to the Navy. A detachment of destroyers from the Eastern Theater Command conducted a real combat drill. The exercise took place in designated waters. Boosting systemic combat capability was the objective. A mock attack featured anti-ship missile simulators. The warships transitioned into high readiness combat mode. Actively searching and locating targets was their priority. Initial detection led to a fleet-wide response. They scanned surrounding waters for threats. Torpedoes were deployed to strike simulated targets. The China military exercises focused on tactical coordination. Integration between naval warships is crucial. Accompanying aircraft and submarines played a role. Operating within complex marine environments requires skill. These rigorous exercises evaluate emergency reaction capabilities. This marks the first training of the China military exercises with Egypt. The Eagles of Civilization joint exercise began at an air base. This is a historic military drill for both nations. Various aircraft participated in the exercises. Fighter jets and early warning aircraft were involved. Tanker aircraft and transport planes also took part. Flight operations and tactical maneuvers were executed. The joint exercise enhances technical proficiency. Tactical collaboration levels improve through shared training. The China military exercises foster stronger pragmatic cooperation. Building deeper mutual trust is a key objective. The diplomatic relationship between China and Egypt is strengthened. This is a significant step forward. The Swift Eagle 2026 joint training exercise concluded successfully. The China military exercises involved airborne troops from China and Belarus. The closing ceremony marked the end of intensive collaborative drills. These exercises improved tactical cooperation between forces. Command coordination was a central focus. Operational readiness was enhanced through shared training. Personnel engaged in rigorous maneuvers and airborne operations. Tactical simulations helped refine their skills. Joint counterterrorism capabilities were a priority. Emergency response protocols were tested extensively. Both sides deepened their strategic partnership. Mutual understanding grew through the experience. The China military exercises achieved complex coordination objectives. Morale was high at the conclusion of training. A strong foundation was solidified for future cooperation. Bilateral military cooperation between China and Belarus is now stronger. Joint missions will benefit from this collaboration. Watching the troops interact and learn together was heartwarming. The China military exercises demonstrate the power of partnership. International cooperation is essential for global security. The China military exercises began with the Air Force's first combat training of 2026. This took place from January 4th to 6th. Multiple command regions participated in the drills. Fighter jets and bombers were deployed. Complex tactical exercises enhanced real combat capabilities. Red and blue forces engaged in intensive confrontations. Tactical positions were constantly switched. Maneuvers above the clouds demonstrated exceptional skill. Simulated strikes tested precision and timing. Low-altitude penetration techniques were utilized. Electromagnetic confrontation scenarios were practiced. Instrument flying under challenging weather was executed. The China military exercises tested long-range precision strikes. Maritime air support capabilities were refined. All-domain search and rescue proficiencies were sharpened. The Air Force's strategic readiness is a priority. Tactical coordination across different theaters is essential. Operational flexibility is maintained through constant training. The China military exercises feature new naval vessels in the South China Sea. These ships are from the Southern Theater Command. Intensive combat-oriented training is their focus. Testing tactical integration is a primary goal. New crew members work with advanced equipment. Operational coordination is heavily emphasized. Readiness is maintained through constant drills. The participating warships execute diverse maneuvers. Tactical navigation is practiced regularly. Emergency response protocols are drilled. Defense tactics against potential assaults are refined. Weapon firing drills are a routine part of training. Vessel damage control exercises are conducted. Underway replenishment operations are also practiced. The China military exercises emphasize rigorous planning. Contingency drills prepare for unexpected situations. Strengthening operational capabilities is the objective. Seamless teamwork is built through shared training. Effective command structures are established. The naval forces are ready for realistic maritime combat.